Good day, everyone. Welcome to the vlog. I've actually been hard at it this morning on the sawmill already. Troy's been lending a hand, which has been fantastic because we've been cutting hard maple. Fortunately, beautiful spalted hard maple. We're cutting into 8/4 shorts for coffee tables. We got some 8/4 kind of medium length stuff, which could be for tables. We're cutting some peppermill blanks, so 3 1/8 by 3 1/8 rough size. We're cutting that, and we're also cutting mantles around the 5" to 6" thick, and 6" deep all the way up to 12 inches deep. So depending on the log, I was talking to Troy this morning, talking about the type of sawing that we're doing right now, that we don't really have like a big pile of a log that's all going to be cut at a certain thickness, a certain length, a certain everything. We're not a production sawmill. I would call us more of a boutique type sawmill. So when the log comes to the mill, we kind of got to look at it. Are we going to cut it here and create some coffee table stuff here? We're going to cut it there and we'll get a mantle out of the inside. We'll take 5/4 off first and then some 8/4. So out of a single log, we might cut 5/4, 8/4, peppermill blanks, as well as a mantle, or a mix of any of those, or all of that through the whole log. So most of the filming you see so far of me milling on our sawmill has been time lapse. You get to see the sawmill running. I'm hoping to give you a little bit more of a glimpse right now into the sawmill itself. What we have is a 1992 LT40 from Woodmizer. It was called a fully hydraulic sawmill. So what it has is it has a hydraulic log loader, which is sweet, but even better is a mini excavator, which is what we use. You see in our videos, we grab the log and we're able to place it right on there, which is extremely fantastic. My whole life since I was 16, I've been using the log loader, or even a bobcat where you just slide the log off the forks. Man, nothing beats loading the Woodmizer with the excavator, especially we're doing smaller pieces, 3 foot long, 5 foot, 6 foot long, kind of weird lengths. So it's really nice, and they're all kind of crotch, and there's a branch, and they're not round. So it's terrific for loading the Woodmizer. Back to the hydraulics though. It has a hydraulic log loader. It has a hydraulic log turner. It has a hydraulic fence, so what the log gets pushed against, it goes up and down hydraulically. And what's the fourth thing? Oh, it has toe boards, so you can angle a log this way or that way. I barely ever use those. Almost never, actually. Sometimes, but almost never. Let's give you a quick, more in-depth look at the sawmill. I'll show you the control panel, and we'll talk about some of those things I was just talking about. So here she is in all her glory. Like I said, it's a 1992 Woodmizer LT40 fully hydraulic. Right down there we have the hydraulic controls, the log loader, the log turner, the log fence, as well as those toe boards I was talking about. Typically the operator is going to be standing on this side of the sawmill, and we have our control panel right here. We're able to move the carriage head up and down so we can see . So handle on the right side here moves the carriage head up and down. We then go forward and backwards with the carriage head. Let me just make sure I'm not gonna hit my log. So on the opposite side, we have a forward and reverse. So if I have to hold it to bring it in reverse, and there's just a single speed. Now for forward, we have a rheostat control, so we're able to adjust how fast it's moving forward. So we can click the machine into forward, and as I turn this dial, so you can see there's slow speed. That's pretty much what we're cutting like on our wider stuff on the sawmill. And you can see here if I turn it some more, it's gonna take off on us. And then back again. The sawmill itself has a motor down here. So this motor right here actually pulls the carriage with this chain, and it also has a chain for up and down with another motor system in here. We have an electric motor on the sawmill, a 15 horsepower. We changed it over from the gas, one of the best things I've done on the sawmill. I also have quite the modification. I do have a video on this, but I cut my sawmill in half right here, and we're able to cut 42 inches wide instead of the standard 28 inches wide. So pretty sweet there. Right now we have a pretty cool spalted maple log on the mill, and I'm gonna go ahead and start some more cutting. good, man. Sun's shining. Sawdust is flying.
Ants are flying.
Ants are flying, apparently, yeah. Hard work, though. They don't need these on anymore. Got a little mud there. I dropped the camera earlier, by the way.
Oh, really?
Lens is okay, though.
At least this one is.
At least this one is, yeah.
So I'm gonna put the first layer of the Osmo's product on. And I'm just gonna rub it on and polish it out. And it's gonna take a couple of minutes. So that's it. Amazing.
Justin, what are you doing?
Clamping legs.
I can't sleep until the morning rise. Maybe I can't sleep.
Well, these legs have been a huge pain in the ass. But they're coming together really nicely.
The 2x4s blend well together with the ash.
Yep, 2x4's color is just perfect. And then we're gonna paint them black.
Yeah, disconnect in the bathroom.
That right there.
No problem. Oh, hey there. You've made it to the end of the vlog. Thank you very much. Always appreciate that. Smash that like button. Hit that dislike button, comment below, all the good stuff. We had a little sawmilling, we had a little finish action. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, have a great one.